In this lesson, we will see together the two different roles of du. So we can start right now. And it's quite interesting because in fact, maybe you've been seeing that already, du can have two different roles. So we'll start with the first one. And the first one will be the partitive. Remember the partitive, I've been making a lesson on that, so if you're not sure about it, have a look at it. But the partitive, the concept is, like in this example, tu veux du café. So du is the partitive. It indicates this some concept in English. You don't specify the quantity, but it's some. So in that case, we're using du when it's the masculine partitive, and this is important, remember. So café is masculine, so we are using du. Tu veux du café. So this is the first use or first role of the du. And then the second one is quite interesting because in fact it's also the definite article contracted, meaning by that definite article is le, remember? And if we combine it with the preposition de, we'll have to contract the two. And so de plus le will become du. And so the example here, tu peux me raconter l'histoire du film. So in that case, du is clearly not the partitive that we saw previously, but in that case, du is the preposition de that is combined with the article le, masculine, remember, and then it will become du. It's the same thing here, it only covers the masculine, because if you combine de and la, it works, so it will be de la. You don't need to contract it. So remember, du can be whether the partitive, masculine, or then it can be the definite article contracted in the masculine form too.